Good morning, everybody. David here with Humble Home Inspection. Today, I guys got a quick little tip about mowing your lawn and how it can affect your siding, windows, your air conditioner, things like that. So, let me show you what I'm looking at here. So, when you're mowing the lawn, make sure you're shooting things away from the house. Don't be shooting it at the house because debris can get stuck in your air conditioner. I see that all the time, that those fins are extremely dirty. That definitely does not help for the efficiency of your air conditioner unit. Also, and this is steel siding on my house, so it doesn't take a whole lot of damage, but if you have vinyl siding and you're throwing rocks and sticks out of your lawnmower, you can cause some damage to your siding. I've seen it, so that's why I kind of want to make a little point about it. And also your windows too. They can get all full of gunk and debris just by all the grass getting thrown up at the window. So yeah, make sure you're always throwing your grass away. Especially want to keep away from the bunnies over here. We got Minty. Say hi, Minty. And she says hi. We got Everglow. She's kind of being shy right now. And here's Manny. Manny's being good. He's just hanging out in the back. So, yeah, that's your tip for today. If you need a home inspection, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm only in Wisconsin, so if for someplace else that you're seeing this, I kind of out of luck there. But yeah, if you're in Wisconsin, moving to Wisconsin, if you're buying or selling a house, I can definitely help you out with the home inspection. And that's all I got for today. So have a good one.